Alaine Laughton, popularly known by her stage name Alaine, is a Jamaican singer and songwriter who has made a significant impact in the reggae and dancehall genres. Born in New Jersey, USA, on September 21, 1978, and raised in Jamaica, Alaine's soulful voice and heartfelt lyrics have endeared her to fans across the globe. She is best known for her emotionally charged songs that often explore themes of love, heartbreak, and personal growth, making her one of the most prominent female voices in reggae music. Early life and career beginnings. Alaine was born to Jamaican parents who moved to the United States in search of better opportunities. However, her family returned to Jamaica when she was 3 years old, and it was in the vibrant cultural environment of Jamaica that her passion for music began to take shape. Alaine developed an early love for singing and writing music, talents that she honed throughout her youth. Her initial career steps were not in music but in acting. She appeared in several Jamaican television shows and commercials during her teenage years, which helped her gain a foothold in the entertainment industry. Despite this early success in acting, music was her true calling, and in the early 2000s, Alaine began to pursue her dream of becoming a singer. Rise to fame. Alaine's big break in the music industry came when she moved back to the United States and worked as a banker in New York while simultaneously writing and recording music. Her undeniable talent quickly caught the attention of industry insiders, and she began writing for major acts, including Rockefeller Records and Def Jam. However, she soon returned to Jamaica, where her heart and musical influences truly lay. In 2005, Alaine burst onto the reggae scene with her hit single, No Ordinary Love. The song became an instant success in Jamaica and internationally, earning her a reputation as a fresh and unique voice in reggae. Her blend of reggae, R&B, and pop influences resonated with audiences, and she quickly gained a large fan base. Following the success of No Ordinary Love, Alaine continued to release hit singles, including Rise and Love, Heavenly, and You Are Me. Her music, characterized by its emotional depth and relatable themes, connected with fans, especially women who found empowerment and comfort in her lyrics. Alaine's ability to blend heartfelt songwriting with catchy melodies helped her establish herself as one of the most prominent female artists in Jamaican music. Personal life and faith. Alaine is known for her deep spiritual faith, which has played a significant role in her personal and professional life. In recent years, she has spoken openly about her Christian faith and its influence on her music. Her transformation led to her baptism in 2019. A life-changing event that she often reflects on in interviews and her social media posts. This spiritual shift has also been reflected in her music, as she has increasingly embraced themes of faith, love, and personal redemption. However, she remains true to her roots in reggae, continuing to release music that resonates with a wide audience. Legacy and impact. Alaine's contribution to reggae music, particularly as a female artist, has been substantial. With a career that spans over 2 decades, she has remained relevant in an industry that is often male-dominated, using her platform to promote messages of love, positivity, and spiritual growth. As of 2024, Alaine continues to tour, perform, and release new music, maintaining her position as one of the most beloved voices in contemporary reggae. Her legacy as a versatile artist who bridges reggae, R&B, and pop continues to inspire new generations of musicians, making Alaine a true icon in the world of Jamaican music.